At least we start to see something right now.
Hello, what is up guys? I'm Gordon and welcome to another one of my video. Today we are going to do something really special, which is soundproofing the car. So the reason why I wanted to send my car to do some soundproofing at the door is because, just like any other frameless window car, we suffer from not so solid door closing. I know that is not an issue, but I'm trying to build this car to be one of the best daily driver coupe that I can build. So I would want this car to at least have some sound isolation at the door a little bit. So one of the reasons why I wanted to add this noise isolation is because of the traffic noise. Okay, let's be real. This is not Mercedes-Benz, BMW or any luxury brand. So it doesn't really have the very good noise cancelling thing going around. So let's hope that after adding all this soundproofing material at the door panel over here, we'll have a much better driving experience. Alright guys, we are finally here, but we need to wait a little bit more because currently they are doing another car, and after that, as you can see, the car is about done and it is my turn to get my car a little bit of a soundproofing. Let's do some testing over here and close the door. Wow, that definitely doesn't sound good. Now from the inside, that definitely doesn't sound good at all. Well, as you can see, these are the material that they are using for the door panel soundproofing. Apparently it is some really spongy material over here. As you can see, it's pretty thick over here, and then we got another type of material over here. This appear to looks like some sort of a cloth. So I think in conclusion, both of this work together, I guess. So apparently there are actually many types of soundproofing material. I'm pretty sure that we are not gonna use these because as far as I know, these type of aluminum foil self-adhesive soundproofing material over here are used at the metal part of the door. We are not doing that, we are only doing the plastic part. So we are going to use this type. Okay guys, this can certainly be a DIY job, but I kinda don't want to DIY myself because I'm living at an apartment and I do not have a garage. The place that I'm parking my car is super dark and I can't get any lights there. So I don't really wish to screw my car up. That is why let us get the pro to get the job done instead of me screwing up. Well, it seems pretty easy though. There are another dude doing that side, so we're doing both sides together. It should be fast. Now I realize that there is actually screws at the handle. So if I were to do it myself, I wouldn't figure out that there are screws over there. How nice to have power tools. There you go, that door is out. So easy for them. Well, and always remember to unplug all the wirings. You know what? For some good reason, they are kind of making it sounds easy. Wow. Unbelievably, the door inside actually comes with soundproofing material over here. So Kia actually made some effort to dampening the sound a little bit, but unfortunately, this kind of sound dampening material looks kind of cheap and kind of thin, and I don't think that it will do a good job in soundproofing the car. And they even have this rubber over here to actually try to reduce the vibration, and some spongy thing over here that obviously gone a little yellow, and unbelievably there's like a whole chunk of polystyrene over here. I don't know what's the function of this. We are going to do a one layer first because that foam itself is actually so thick, and we're afraid that if we actually do two layer, they are going to have problems putting the door back together. So we're gonna try one first because they say that one thick foam is enough to block out a tremendous amount of road noise and basically eliminates any plastic rattling in the door. So I'm so excited to see the result over here. Alright guys, the moment of truth. Holy smokes! Hear that? That's like day and night. The door feels much more solid right now. I didn't know that it is that significant. Holy moly, man. I can do this all day, seriously. Let's see what does it feels from the inside. Wow. Holy smokes. Doesn't feel flimsy anymore. Oh my god, the difference is just day and night. This is so unbelievable. And the sound isolation was epic, man. Sound isolation is actually so good. It actually kind of mute up the sound outside, man. I'm not exaggerating it, but the difference is like super big. Holy crap, man. You know what, guys? It is just like a day and night difference. The rattling is completely vanished. Like no more rattling at uneven roads anymore. So right now, I don't even hear much of outside noise anymore. Holy moly. Now that is the improvement that we are talking about. I'm totally satisfied with that. I mean, the difference was crazy. Man, it feels kind of quiet in the car right now. Oh my god. This is so unbelievable. Man. So today it's been a long day. The improvement was significant. So yep, that is update, guys. Like this video if you like it, dislike this video if you do not like it, subscribe if you haven't already, leave a comment down below if you have any question to ask about my car, and of course I'm gonna see you in the next video. Adios guys, and have a nice beautiful day.